In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to make a lean-to or a bed in Grounded 2. So if we click on the B button now on our keyboard, you should be taken here. So here is the lean-to here, and we need 3 clover leaves and 2 sprigs. And to be able to get the sprigs, it's very easy. You need to just run a little bit and you will be able to find here 1 sprig, for example. Here's the second one, here is the third. So the second one we had to find was clover leaves, right? Yeah. So clover leaves, they are a bit tricky sometimes. We need to just run around and try to find some. So it's going to be like a little bit like this, basically. This is like smaller trees here, so we can just take this one down, and yeah, you can see it's pretty easy once you find it, but here is how it looks basically. So now we can just run back to here, and I'm going to show you exactly how to build it now. So click on the B button again, now click on the lean-to and just click on it again, left click and then left click once again. And now when it's constructed, you can just run to it. I believe you have to click on the E button here if I'm not mistaken, so let's just try to click, yep. And as you can see, it's now built, and yeah, basically this is exactly how to actually build it.